September is Childhood Cancer Awareness Month, and as a maker, you have a unique opportunity to help fight childhood cancer. Our friends at Makers for St. Jude are running a fundraiser now through November, and Onefinity is donating a Woodworker Pro as one of the prizes for the raffle. And not just a CNC, there's tons of other cool prizes from the other sponsors. St. Jude does cancer research and also raises money to help support children with cancer and their families throughout the treatment process. It's an amazing organization fighting for an incredible cause. Every $30 donation gets you one raffle ticket for a chance to win. $50 gets you 3 entries, $100 gets you 5 entries, with additional entries for any donations over $100. All the details for the raffle are on the St. Jude website, and we'll put a link in the description for you if you're on YouTube, and a link in our bio if you're seeing this on Instagram. The fundraising goal for this year is $35,000, and with your help, you could be a blessing to these families in need. Visit Makers for St. Jude today and donate for your chance to win. Thanks. Y'all be good.